How to activate dark mode on Snapchat without app appearance. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get dark mode on Snapchat without app appearance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of devices, the Android and the iPhone. On iPhone, how it works is that you go ahead and then open up the Snapchat application over here. And then when you actually open the Snapchat application, you want to just tap the profile option from the top left, and currently you can see I'm on the light theme. And if I wanted to switch to a darker theme, I would have to tap the gear icon from the top right, just scroll, look for this option over here known as app appearance, then I would need to just tap on it once, and then to switch to dark, I would just need to switch to dark. The problem with this app appearance method is that it is only available for iOS and iPhones and not on Android. And unfortunately, there aren't any other ways to switch to dark mode even on Android. I tried using the Android developer settings, but so far there is no any sorts of ways that you can get dark mode. And the reason for this is because of simply Android's ecosystem. Android has basically many brands and they have many operating systems, they have many devices. Just think about how many devices were released in the last year for Android, over 100 or 200, but iOS only 2 to 3, like the iPhone 14, 15 and so on. So that is one of the primary reasons why developers can focus on more if you are using an applications on iPhone, but for Android so far there hasn't been a way. If there will be a way, I will definitely make sure to update you on it. So hit the subscribe button and like the video for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.